Hi everyone. This video will guide you on password protecting Microsoft Office Excel in Windows 11 or 10. Suppose you have some sensitive data on a Microsoft Office Excel sheet on Windows 11 or 10 machines, and you want to protect that with a password. In that case, this GARP Windows video will guide you. Using the built-in option of Excel, you can secure your files on a Windows system. That means you don't need to install a third-party application on your computer to protect a Word file. How to password protect Microsoft Excel worksheet in Windows 11 or 10. To secure your MS Excel worksheet in Windows 11 or 10, first, open the Excel worksheet you want to set a password. Then, click on the File menu. Select Info in the left sidebar. Then, click on the Protect Workbook option. In the drop-down list that appears, choose the Encrypt with Password option. When you're done, the Encrypt document dialog will appear. Type a password in the password field. Click the OK button. Again, type the same password in the Re-enter password field. Click the OK button. Now, close the file. Click the Save button when prompted. That's it. Using the above steps, you can protect your Excel workbook with a password. The next time you want to open that file, it will prompt you for a password. Enter the password you set and click the OK button. Goodbye. See you in the next video.